Okay, it is recording. All right, so this is going to be for the handwriting, and this is a little bit of warm-up work that came in your supply envelope. What I want them to do with this um, is practice the warm-up work on the letters of the day. So today is P and B. So they would work on, I already did a little bit of sample here, so you can see what it looks like. They can use marker, they can use colored pencil, they can use crayons. This is all about grip and manipulation, that how they hold their writing utensil. If it's too tight, we need to address it. If they're pushing down too hard, we need to address it. If it's too loose and they just have no control of their hand, fingers, or wrists, we need to address that. So this is going to help them because letters, as you and I all know, are made up of lines, and they're all different kinds of lines. Some are straight lines, some are straight but slanted lines, some are curvy lines and straight lines. All right, so this is just a good way for them to get used to doing different kinds of line strokes while practicing holding a writing utensil correctly. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but like a letter B, when we make a lowercase letter B, we go down, we go back up and around, and we never lift up our pencil. Well, the hardest part about a B for the kids to remember to make is that back up and around, back up and around. They always want to lift, or they want to go down and then go that way, like straight into the B. And that's just not going to help them in the future when they're learning cursive and other ways of writing and forming their letters. So they start here and they're going to go up, down, like that. And what I really would like them to do is if they had like colorful markers or colorful colored pencils, they could do rainbow writing, right? So start with red and do all the strokes from lowercase b to uppercase b, and then do orange again, and then yellow. And it doesn't have to be like the colors of the rainbow. It can be any colors that they want. But it's called rainbow writing, and it just gets them to do that stroke over and over and over again. All right, so every day, do just the letters of the day for warm up. All right, so then after that, they will have, here's another B, they will have some handwriting practice. Again, they can use marker or pencil or crayon, whichever you prefer, because we use those writing utensils all the time. What I want you to do is pay attention to their grip and pay attention to their strength. Okay? You're going to notice right off, ooh, they barely hold on to the pencil when they write, or oh my goodness, they push down way too hard. Like if your kids are constantly having to sharpen pencils, that means they're holding that pencil and pushing down way too hard, and that their fingers are going to get sore from doing that. So again, this is a really good exercise because it starts off really big letters, and then the letters get smaller and smaller and smaller. So they're supposed to get a little bit more and more control with that writing utensil towards the end of this paper. Always starting at the black dot. The first one shows the proper number. I'm just about to say number path. Letter path. Okay. So I start at the dot and they go down, back up, and around. Down, back up, and around. Down, back up, and around. And again, try to keep it with that left to right, left to right, left to right, because we want their eyes practicing moving in the direction of left to right, because that's what we do when we read. They can do rainbow writing with these as well. Might get a little tricky down here, but definitely with the big letters, have them do the rainbow writings. If they do the letter path 5 times, we just wrote the letter B 25 times. Yay! So have them do rainbow writing, whichever. Snap a picture of it, send it to me. Can't wait to see them. All right, so that's handwriting practice. Every day, just the letters of the day. You don't have to do the whole book in one day. Okay? All right. Have fun with that.